Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will discuss Xlookup function. We have already discussed VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP function in the previous videos of the Microsoft Excel course Advanced. Now, taking the same example of the horizontal table and the vertical table, we will see how Xlookup function can be used, which is available in the newer versions of Office. We have a data over here which is saved in a vertical manner in a vertical table. We have the VLOOKUP solution over here, the how we can find the look for a value in our vertical table using the VLOOKUP. Now taking the same example, we will see how we can use the Xlookup function in the vertical data which is stored in a vertical fashion. Now, Xlookup is a flexible function and can be used to find values in either a vertical or a horizontal range or table arrow. It supports approximate and exact matching, plus you can use the wildcard features for partial matches. So we have a product list over here where product ID, name, price and quantity have been saved over here. Let's use the Xlookup function. So let me type Xlookup. You have the function over here. Now if you look over here, it has it takes up different arguments over here. The first one is the lookup value, that what value are you trying to look up in the data which is available for you. The second one is the lookup array, or the array where you are trying to find that particular, the range where you are trying to find that value, or you are trying to search for that value. The return value, once you find that value which you are looking for, or the data which you are looking for, what value you want to be returned from that particular lookup array. Now in this Xlookup function, you have the option of specifying a return error message if the value is not found. So by default NA has been returned, that not found, but if you want, you can specify a statement of your own also. Then it has different match modes, 0, -1 and -2 and 2 for different match modes. And then it has search mode also, the different search mode like 1, -1, 2 and -2. We'll see all these things over here. So my formula is starting with equal to Xlookup, the lookup value, the value which we are looking for this value in the data which is available, separated by a comma. Now F9, and where am I looking for this value? I'm looking for this value in this particular column, that is my lookup array. What will, once I find PID 007, what data I want to fetch? I want to fetch the quantity, so this is my return array. And if not found, I will come to that also. And the match mode, by default it looks for an exact match, but if you want, you can specify the match mode also. Now the match mode, if we place 0, it is for an exact match. If I set the match mode as -1, that is exact match or next smallest match, -2 exact match or the next largest match, and 2 for the wildcard character. So you can specify those things, plus in those cases your data should be arranged in either ascending or the descending order. That needs to be done. So here we are specifying that it should be the default. Once you are done with this, click on, you can press the enter key. So here we have got the answer as 25. You can see over here, this particular PID 007, this data has been fetched for us over here. If I change this value to some other value, you can see the changes over here. If I change it to 11, you will immediately see the change, that it has changed this value to 11. The quantity is 11 for 001. I said ki you can have the error message also for this Xlookup function over here. Say if we specify something 15 over here, so it will give me an error message, nothing is being found, 0, you got 0 over here. By default this is being given, but if you want you can specify a message for yourself. Say I say not found. See, you can see the changes we have changed. This message should be displayed if the value is not found, so it is giving me a not found message over here. So we have used Xlookup to find a value in the vertical table. Now let's see how we can use the Xlookup to find a value in the horizontal table. So we have an example over here. This is a list where data is being placed horizontally. We have the Xlookup function in place. You can see the formula in the formula bar. Let's use the Xlookup function over here. So Xlookup can be used both in the horizontal as well as the vertical table array or the ranges. Same thing, same arguments will be passed over here. We are looking for this particular value. Where are we looking for this value? We are looking for this value in this lookup array which we have over here. What value we want to return? This is the value, this is the range from where we want the value to be returned. And then you can specify the match mode, that is your 0 or exact match, 0 if value is not found. Those things can be done over here. Then you can always specify whether the data will be searched from the first found value from the beginning itself, or from the ascending or the descending order. That can be done. Let's see the result. So you got the answer as 25. We have specified that we are looking for this value in this range over here. This is my lookup value. Lookup value is over here, and this is my lookup array and the return array, and we are looking for an exact match. If I change it to electric kettle, if I copy this data and put it over here, you can see the changes. You can see the changes in the value over here. So in this video we have discussed how Xlookup function can be used both in the vertical table and in the horizontal table, and which is available as a new feature in the latest versions of Office. You can try out this function. It is a very flexible function. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.